Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn where you can find the location of code you create in the VS Code application and the file explorer on your device. For example, if you have forgotten where you saved the given file. So let us guide you through this. So guys, navigate to the explorer here on the left hand side inside your VS Code app. Navigate to the given folder, then to the given file or project, for example, with the given coding language. So I would like to find out where I stored this HTML file here, right? So what you want to do is you either hover your mouse over it and you will see the location on your device here, but you can also get redirected to the location on your device by right-clicking on it. And then guys, what you want to do is select copy path and then use it, for example, in your device explorer here, for example, in the given folder, or you right click into the given file here as a tab, and then you will see this option, reveal in file explorer. Click into it and then you will be redirected to the given file saved in the given location on your device. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.